Hello everyone and welcome. Today we are going to be making blueberry cream cheese cookies with a lemon drizzle. Oh, don't you just love fruit? It's nature's candy. No added sugars, preservatives, or accidental human appendages. It may include bugs though, but that's okay. Bugs are nature's protein. It's like eating chocolate-covered bacon.
You know what? Let's just take a look at our ingredients.
Sugar, butter, cream cheese, egg, just one singular egg, only one, vanilla, flour, baking soda, baking powder, salt, and blueberries. And for our lemon drizzle, we will need fairy sugar, lemon juice, milk, vanilla, and the zest of one lemon. However, I will be substituting some curd because I already have lemon juice, and what's the point of spending more fonks on something I can easily replicate with lemon flavored things? Now you want to make sure your butter and your cream cheese are soft before you use them, so you'll need to test that. Mr. Butter. Miss Cheese. I know. It's been a long time. But we need you again. I don't think you understand the situation. We need someone with your particular set of skills to get the job done. What do you mean you're no longer in the business? Are you listening to yourself right now? You don't have a choice. Oh. I think I understand now. I never thought it would happen to you. You've gone soft, Butter. I hope you know what you're doing. Best of luck, my friend. Once you've determined your butter's gone soft, make sure that you treat your chicken to a wonderful seafood dinner beforehand so you receive the best quality egg. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees and line a cookie sheet with parchment paper. Lightly spray your paper with cooking spray. In a large bowl, cream together your sugar, or Zucker as they call it in the fatherland, your butter, and your cream cheese until it's velvety and smooth. I like to chunk my butter up like this to make it a little easier to incorporate. Add in your egg and your vanilla, and then beat it until it is well incorporated, much like standardized testing. Go ahead and set aside that mixture for the time being. In your large bowl, second cousin's ex-father-in-law, or as we call it colloquially in the forest, another medium bowl, combine flour, baking soda, baking powder, and salt. Mix the dry ingredients into the wet ingredients until fully incorporated. Then, fold in your blueberries with all the finesse and gentleness of a toddler carrying around an egg. Oh. What's that? Oh, well, my squirrel friends have just informed me that toddlers aren't actually gentle with eggs. So, think of something else that's gentle and, yeah, just replicate that. Drop heaping tablespoons of dough onto the cookie sheet and bake for 10 to 12 minuten. While you are waiting for your cookies to bake, you have the option of gazing longingly out the window for your one true love. I wanna know where the Grubhub delivery guy is. I wanna know, is he thinking about me? When's he gonna get here? I'm waiting so patiently. When's it my turn? Once your little creations are done baking, you're going to let them cool on a wire rack. I like to set a paper towel or a piece of plastic wrap down so that when I ice them, it catches all of the extra drippy drippies. Next, let's make our icing. You're going to whisk together your fairy sugar, lemon juice, milk, vanilla, and your not lemon zest. You will drizzle this mixture on top of your cookies whenever they are completely cooled. I'm adding in a little bit more milk here to help thin out my icing a bit. Now here are some cookies that I've already drizzled. I'm going to show you with some more coming out of the oven here in a moment what it looks like to drizzle them. And oh, there's someone at the door. Excuse me a minute. Yes? Hello? Very, very